Welcome to 8912 Heritage Sound Drive, located in Riverstrand Golf and Country Club. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath Bonita floor plan, which is one of the favorites, and they have given this lovely home a total facelift. It was beautiful before, but it is even better now. You've got a Murphy bed in this light, bright, and airy bedroom, new flooring. You just saw the custom bath with the marble countertops, all new shower. As we walk through here in the foyer, then you come to what the owner's currently using as an office, but there is a small closet, so it is technically also a bedroom. We head here into the laundry room, and they have even updated and upgraded this garage. Insulated garage doors, this awesome covering, and then they have mats which they roll in the golf cart and their vehicle, and it's an air conditioner unit in there as well to keep your toys nice and cool. You'll notice again the travertine flooring, and we're heading into the main open floor plan living area. You've got your dining room, your great room, and this stunning kitchen. They actually took that wall down and added cabinets all the way around to the that window to add more storage space. So great eating area, all new appliances. It's just beautiful. This is what everybody wants to do to this floor plan when they see it. You've got you've got custom slides up here for privacy, for screens that come down, and then these are new sliding doors, which are beautiful and allow you to really take in these views. This is facing south out the back. You'll also see that there are privacy shades that are remote controlled that go all the way around. So you technically could be out here with these shades down and have total privacy. Notice also the large covered lanai area, which really allows you to entertain outside and in. These doors do not pocket, but they do go all the way down, or you can open them from the center. Heading over here to the master ensuite. It's fabulous retreat, excellent views out the back as well, plantation shutters. This is the wood look ceramic tile. Come here to the master closet, where they actually, what they did in the bathroom, they've redone the whole master bath, took out the tub and extended this space. So you've got a fabulous, huge closet in the master. And you've also got another smaller walk-in closet here, but the master bath has been redone as well. All new cabinetry, fantastic shower with glass doors, soft close cabinetry, and these awesome custom mirrors, which these do so in the other bathroom as well. How cool is that? And then you've got this mirror in your water closet to the right. So again, 8912 Heritage Sound Drive, a fantastic golf deeded membership home here in Riverstrand Golf and Country Club. Over $150,000 worth of updates and upgrades have been done by the owners. So give me a call if you are interested in seeing this, or have your realtor call me and set up an appointment to show it.